yeah. I'm back with Boo. It's lit. La Ferrari. Jamba Juice, yeah. We back on the road, they jumping off no parachute. Yeah, shorty in the back, she said she working.
Bitch, I'm flexing. I ain't got time to be texting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So jumping right into today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a headband wig. Now I know you guys have seen this trend for this wig literally everywhere. Basically it's just a half wig, then they added a headband. Like basically half wigs have been around for forever. I was wearing half wigs in middle school and high school, so this is just like a little revamp to the half wig. So today the wig is from UNice Hair. It just comes in this blue box. Inside the box they just added a few headbands, different colors for you to choose from. Yeah, all of these headbands. I'm gonna try all of them on for you guys. So on the website, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that you get to choose, I think, like 3 headbands that come with the wig. And they're all like different color schemes, so you get to choose which ones you get. But they just sent me a whole bunch. I just have my hair gelled back in a ponytail. And I just did my edges extra. I like extra edges, so if you don't like all these baby hairs, you do not have to do these baby hairs. I don't need nobody in the comments talking about baby hairs, because we all know some people like extra baby hairs, some people don't. Do what's best for you. People who don't like extra baby hairs can literally gel their hair back straight and it'll still look really, really cute. So I mentioned in my previous video that I'm going to start doing small business promo. I did get a new P.O. box in another location. You guys have a small business and you want to send me some products, you can go ahead and do that. Just go ahead and email me down below and we can get that squared away, and we can schedule promo for your business. The promo is free right now, but I'm thinking about making it like $5. But for the most part, for right now, it's free. I do not review wigs or hair for free, but like if you have like lashes, lip gloss, jewelry, clothes, whatever, and you would like to send something to me, just let me know and we can get that situated. I did want to show you guys this necklace. It's from Yafini Necklaces. I'm not sure if it's backwards or not. It's probably showing backwards, but it just says Shatari B with a crown. It's super cute, super lightweight. It's one of my favorite necklaces. I wear it like almost every day. So cute. I will leave their information down below, and I think I have a discount code for their company as well. Really quick, you guys always ask me what lashes I'm wearing. This is just a close-up of the lashes. Really, really, really pretty. These are from Mokalea & Co. lashes. This is her packaging. Super cute. Yeah, this is the style. The style is lavish. I will link her Instagram and her website or whatever she has down below, so make sure if you want some really, really pretty mink lashes, make sure you hit up my girl. And yeah, let's get into the video. So this is how the wig looks. It is a WaterWave texture wig, and I believe the inch is 20 inches. This is how the front looks. So this is the headband of the wig. It does include a comb in the front and a comb in the back. And basically all you do is, I'm going to show you guys how to do it, but basically all you do is just literally wrap this. It has like this little Velcro thing. It's getting stuck in the hair. You can do it as tight as you want it. And yeah, so I'm going to put my puff in a braid in a small bun, and I will be right back. Okay, so I did my hair in this little bun, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put this on and let you guys watch me, and I will be right back. Okay, so that quick. That was pretty easy. One thing I will say, I think this cap is too big for my head because I have this extra space right here. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. I tried to tuck it under the headband part and it keeps popping back out. I don't know, like that, but it keeps popping back out. So I don't know. I think this particular cap is just too big for my head. I think I did ask for it. I don't know if they come in different sizes. However, this is how the natural curl pattern comes. I don't know if I want to add some mousse because I kind of like really like it. Like, this is so pretty. I wouldn't leave it like this just because this part looks, if y'all can see, this part looks extra fake. But yeah, I've seen people put this in like high buns, and I don't know how y'all did that because maybe it actually fit their head. But you can put it in a low pony, just really cute running errands. I've seen people put it in half up, half down. I probably would not do all of that. I just really like it down. It's just really pretty. But yeah, let's just try on the different headbands they give us. So I'm gonna try on all these headbands and see which one I like best. Okay guys, so this is the final look for the headband wig. Sis, hold on, where my lip gloss? If y'all don't get y'all a headband wig right now, I am in love with this wig. Like, it's so, the texture, the length, everything, like, I'm ready to step on somebody's beach. The only thing that I would say is I feel like it's too big for my head, so there's like this extra gap right here. So if I wanted to put this like in a high bun or a high ponytail, honestly I couldn't unless I like bobby pin it to the size of my head down, but that's doing so much. The only critique I would give the companies that are making these wigs is to make these wigs on the adjustable caps so people can tighten them to their head, because if you're making them in one size, everybody's head shape and size is not the same. But other than that, the hair is gorgeous. The length, yeah, this definitely gets a thumbs up for me. Yeah, this wig is bomb. All the links to this wig will be down below in the description box. Make sure you check that out. Make sure you thumbs up this video. I know I've been going for a long time, but I finally am settled into my place. Let me know if y'all want an apartment tour. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like it. If you tried the headband wig, let me know. Is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down for you? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 18K. I'm so appreciative. And yeah, more videos coming this week, so stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. She a bad bitch, I'm on her. Heard that I'm a savage, once I get a bitch, I own her. I see I swag, I got cash, so I want her.